X925 product introduction. Special tooth design. Multi-chip design with 9 teeth pattern and 11 chip divisions, efficiently decreased cutting force of each tooth. Extra large allierance angle design. Furtherly reduced cutting forces by this kind of tooth design. Reduced cutting forces by 23% to 29% compared to other competitive products. Large chip division design. Increasing kerf by 9% to 29%, avoiding saw pinching due to internal stress of high temperature alloy. Plus or minus 0.01 mm width consistency tolerance. All are processed by imported Vollmer grinding machines, width consistency tolerance controlled within 0.01 mm, effectively ensuring the height gradient to avoid vibration and tooth striking during sawing caused by excessive height variation. Material. Tooth material, employing submicron fine-grained hard alloy blade material imported from a top global supplier, ensuring the saw blade's resistance to backing wear and teeth chipping. Backing material is imported spring steel, with advanced heat treatment processes to achieve superior fatigue performance. Cutting cases.